Portion.
A portion of this video was sponsored by Salesforce. More about Salesforce at the end of the show.
The only hope for avoiding a grueling 6-month wagon journey was to travel the narrowest portion of the continent, the 48-kilometer Isthmus of Panama. At the same time, you also need to leave space for some portion of the people polled to express their true preference. In trees, however, a large portion of that carbon isn't released and instead is stored as newly formed wood tissue.
While most of this air actually bypasses the inner machinery, it still contributes to a huge portion of the engine's thrust. The hatred directed at conversos was both religious and economic, as conversos made up a large portion of the upper middle class.
Florida, on the other hand, was so space-limited that the unusable steel rings would take up a huge portion of the land. But how far did Florida actually get with their starship?
The sheer amount of information each image contains is just jaw-dropping. And so far, Webb has only peered at a tiny portion of the universe. In the coming years, astronomers using Webb will likely reveal things we can only dream of.
Honest about how we define ourselves and what actually does. Sure, your career contributes to a portion of who you are, but are we allowing it to define us just a little too much?
Portion.